Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the Dunk High by Nike and Japanese designer Hiroshi Fujiwara's brand Fragment designs in the Beijing colorway. Before I start this video, I just want to say a massive thank you to the 10,000 subscribers. I really appreciate the support and I look forward to bringing you more of that peaceful content. Back to the shoes, these released in June 2021 and it comes in an all black Nike box with white wrapping paper. Quick shout out to Offspring for the raffle win, and these shoes do not come with any accessories. Extra laces would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Fun fact, these shoes are technically a retro from the 2010 Tri-City pack that included New York and London. The only change to this 2021 release is the added SKU number print on the midsole, which I think is a pretty nice touch. The deep wine color blocking really pops, and of course the iconic DeBoss lightning bolt remains at the heel in white. The overall quality control and leather used on these isn't great, so expect the usual defects and glue stains and stitching errors. So the question is, are these a 2 pairs minimum? I would say yes, it's clean, it looks great on feet, and that £130 retail with little resale value, I like to call this a cheap and cheerful collab. I recommend staying true to size if you plan on picking these up from StockX. Definitely use my affiliate link in the description. I've really been enjoying wearing these shoes so far, one of my favorite pickups of 2021. Let me know if you managed to pick these up, did you miss out or did you pass? It's at Samuel Sago on my social media links. Apart from that, have a good day.